Hello guys, welcome to a new video. Sorry for uploading nothing for long. I'm working at new videos again. Anyway, enjoy the video. This video contains tones that are disturbing for some people. If you play this in public, you will cause panic. I'm not responsible for anything like this. Anyway, enjoy the video.
You are listening to PWS, the best weather service in Phoenix. It is 5:32 p.m. Rumors are spread that there will be an astronomical event soon. Some people say there will be an supernova, others say that there will be an lunar eclipse. The NASA hasn't made a statement yet, but it's for sure that many people are excited to see the event. Stay tuned to PWS on 88.6 GHz for the latest news about the upcoming event. On to the 7-day forecast for Phoenix and surrounding areas. Monday, mostly cloudy with temperatures in the 20s. Tuesday, mostly cloudy with chances of rain and temperatures in the 20s. Wednesday, sunny with temperatures up to 32 degrees. Thursday, sunny with temperatures in the 30s. Friday, sunny with chances of thunderstorms and temperatures in the 35s. Saturday, mostly cloudy with chances of rain and temperatures in the 30s. Sunday, sunny with temperatures up to 40. We interrupt our current programming for an important message. This message is transmitted at the request of the local weather service. The local weather service has issued a civil danger warning. For Sunday there will be temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius. All residents of the local area are advised to gather as much water as possible for the upcoming danger of hot temperatures. Make sure you have working fans and cooling systems at home. If not, seek an opportunity to get one, as they ensure your survival in the extremely hot days. You are listening to PWS, the best weather service in Phoenix. It is 1:56 p.m. Forecasts for this week's Sunday show that there will be temperatures above 40 degrees Celsius. This day is now officially named H-Day. PWS is asking everyone to gather as much water for the upcoming temperatures. Let us give you more information about Sunday. In the morning temperatures will start rising from 30 to 37 degrees. In the early midday temperatures are already up to 41 degrees. The highest temperature is approximately 47 degrees. The NASA stated that the rising temperatures have something to do with the upcoming astronomical event. All citizens are advised to watch out for statements from NASA, sirens, warnings of local weather services, breaking news of local radio stations. Stay tuned to PWS on 88.6 GHz so you not miss anything from the upcoming events.
This message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration has issued emergency action notification. The sun has changed its color into green. This means that the sun rays are now 10,000 times hotter than normal. Avoid any possibility to let sun rays into your home. If you get in any contact with sun rays, you will be obliterated. Cover all doors and windows. Go into a room with no windows. Take rations of food, water, medicine, clothing and a battery or hand-cranked radio for 14 days. Don't let children know about what is happening. Use the time until the sunrise to cover all possible lights of sun rays entering your shelter.